Hello everyone, so today we are going to be unboxing the Galaxy Tab S8 Plus 5G. This is the front of the box. Let me go ahead and show you the back of the box. This is a little bowed up at the top. The packaging includes the tablet, of course, the S Pen, pre-installed SIM card, USB-C to USB-C cable, and a quick start guide. And this is 128 gigabytes. The tablet is 12.4 inches. So let's go ahead and get unboxing this. Has the paper right here. So this is the stuff it comes with, the SIM ejector tool right here. I'm just going to go ahead and open this. Got the USB-C to USB-C cord right here. And like I said earlier, the SIM ejection tool and the quick start guide is in here. So the moment we all been waiting for is the tab. Let me go ahead and take this out. And this is nice. This is a nice tablet. So this is the tablet right here. Don't want to get my fingerprints on it, but so this is just the back of it. See if I can get the focus. There we go. That's just the back of it. And right here is your S Pen. So that's pretty cool. The S Pen is actually magnetic, so that's pretty cool. Just to show you that it is magnetic. I've never unboxed a tablet before, so this is pretty interesting. So let me go ahead and do a size comparison or something, so I can show you how big this tablet is. So this is just a size comparison to my Nintendo Switch. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Starting up now. Looks like it's setting up. This is preparing your tablet. So this is the tablet already. Pretty cool how it's magnetic. There you go. So this is the tablet all set up and ready to go, and now we're going to take a look at the S Pen. So this is the S Pen, if I can get the focus. So this is the S Pen on my S22 Ultra, and this is the tablet S Pen. Big size difference. I would rather be coloring, drawing with this, taking notes, than this. This works in a pinch, but definitely this has a better feel to it. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching, and bye everyone.